In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to download the Peats app for your Soundpeats Air3 earbuds. We will use an Android phone. So let's go to Play Store. Do a search for Peats. Let's install the Peats Audio app. Once installed, let's open the app. Let's enter the app. We need to agree to the terms of use. Now, you can register if you do not have an account, but for our case, we will log in using our email. Enter the login credentials and log in. Before adding, you need to remove the earbuds from the charge case. Let's add device. Do note also that the earbuds are already connected previously to our mobile phone. So this is the Air3 and it has detected and added to the Peats Audio app. So let's do a firmware update. So there's a new firmware. Let's download and upgrade. So the file transfer is completed. Waiting for the device to restart to complete the upgrade. So we're going to put it back into the charge case. And remove it again. Let's take a look at the firmware. So the firmware version is updated. So this is how you update the firmware for your Soundpeats Air3 using the Peats Audio app.